What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another video. It is about 7 a.m. in the morning and I got some very good news coming up for you, and I hear it right now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and during the video, if you enjoy it, go ahead and hit that like button. But today we're going to be going to Caffeine and Octane, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be pretty stoked about what's about to happen in a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's time that we start putting this key away, start driving something a little less and more modern. Alright, so we just got here to the we're at the McDonald's, and behind me I got my 350 since I haven't really showed you guys. So yeah, that's the big old surprise. Say hi to Khalid. What's up? Hey Leo, say hi to the camera, dog. Say hi to the camera, say what's up. Yes, sir. Dang. Ew, you mean, bro. Y'all not gonna say hi? Why y'all look like a big family? Serena, these okay? I'm dead. Alright, we in the parking garage. A dude wouldn't let me get close to my car. Hey! Where he took it? He doing a pull. Alright, we here at the Cafe Octane. We just walking around looking at a couple of cars. Right here you got your nice muscle section. You got all your Mercedes Benz. I think all of these are SL classes. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy some of these cars, and we'll have, we'll catch you guys in a moment. Next on the agenda is try to get the dirty 350Z clean. Right now,
What?
to get the dirty 350Z clean.
What about?
You wanna help me clean it?
Today?
Yeah.
I got an appointment.
You remember that white and green one?
You can do it.
Huh? Alright.
Nah.
Alright. You're on the camera.
Anything you say, I'm gonna rebut them back, bro. I'm gonna rebut them back.
Hey, where we about to eat at?
Where we about to eat at? Hey, where we about to eat at? Where I'm doing? Going to the bathroom. Oh, I'm following him.
Thinking. Alright. Today I would like to present to you a la Capelle, Octane, and Coyote Leaf. And GTR Nick. He got GTR, y'all. He got GTR. He got these. That's how he get around. He got. Hey. Hold on. Let me bring out this guy right there. This dude has the fastest Subaru production right now.
Yes, sir. I walk away.
8,000 horsepower. And this guy here, 1J. 1J240. S14 chassis. Oh, that nigga broke. That nigga shit broke. He ain't got no car. He ride around a WRX all day. What? A WRX all day. Hopefully I ain't just clicked, man. Oh yeah. I'm finna show you all this. Alright. So let me introduce y'all to this. A wide body FRS. That thing boosted. It really got the Ferrari motor in there. I know y'all seen that Ferrari motor FRS. He got the one that don't got the Ferrari motor in there, but it got wide body. Then them motherfuckers, he got the motherfucking head cat, but it don't have the hell in it. It's just a cat. Like it really just it's a Hemi. Alright. And then them motherfuckers. Them motherfuckers, hold on, I'm gonna come back now. Them motherfuckers got now. He got a little Honda Civic SI without the SI 1.8, whatever. But
I got a Spider.
he got, yeah, he talking about a pet animal. But yeah, back to this guy. 800 horsepower. Oh yeah, we finna go to Chick-fil-A real quick. Hell yeah. Register closed. What is you talking about?
I got 500 to the wheel.
500 wheel?
Yeah. 600 torque.
Which wheel got 500?
All four. Y'all never seen a four-wheel drive Coyote? All-wheel
So
drive.
you must got the rear-wheel drive Subaru, huh?
He got front-wheel drive.
Hey, how you focus this, bro?
It's front wheel drive. I converted it.
Oh yeah.
I converted it to front wheel drive with an
What?
HDMI cord.
You what?
I converted it to front wheel drive with an HDMI cord.
True. You what? I don't know how to. GTR. Fastest GTR. How does it feel to have the fastest GTR in Atlanta?
I don't.
How does it feel to have the fastest Hellcat in Atlanta?
Feels normal.
It feels normal?
Yeah.
True, I feel that.
Leave got something you want to say.
What do you have to say?
I know Lil not feeling that by himself. Hey,
How does it feel to have the fastest Mustang in Atlanta?
you know it's pretty simple. You know, if you ain't first, you last. So if you need something, my mechanic right here, my tune guy right here. He don't speak Spanish. He don't speak English.
Hola, yo no hablo español, sé inglés.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a Sunday, y'all. Alright, we're about to go back, head out. Man, it's so great to be back in this car again. But we're about to go. I need to wash this car, get some of this stuff off. There's a lot of adhesive tape left from when the glass was shattered. And then it smells really bad because I believe while this glass was shattered, it rained a couple times. But it rained a couple of times, so we gotta pretty much do an extraction, and you guys will see that. Yes, sir. Oh, this is damn peanuts. I don't know if you like them.
No. You gotta throw it in the air.
Oh, my camera. What is this?
How do you throw it? Throw it in the air and see if you catch it.
Couple months.
Bro, I believe in you.
All right, guys. We are outside.
Get your dogs, bro.
We
If you do something, you gotta pay for it.
We are out here. It's very dark. I can't see anything, but we're gonna go ahead and start washing off the car. It's pretty dirty. You can't really see it on camera, but in person you can definitely tell that it needs some work done. So we're gonna wash it. We have some sticky situations here and here. So after it's done, I'm not gonna record much of me washing it unless someone else wants to, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You know it, Shotty. Say it to the camera. I didn't say bite it now. You know it, Shotty. Give me that. Give me that. Anyways, excuse how they're right here, but car's pretty. Oh boy. Yeah, that was both of them. But car's pretty much clean. Next thing that we gotta do now, we get it looking all nice, is to do the interior. Cause my interior looks real rugged right now, but as you can see, none of those marks except for that one. I'm gonna have to use something a little bit stronger to get that last piece off, or try again later. Everything's off. I gotta clean out my trunk, looking like doo-doo. Try to organize this and fix this from sliding around. And it really smells bad from being in the shop for a long time. So we're gonna get this whole car cleaned out before I go back and head back to school. So it's gotten pretty dark, but as you can see, trunk is nicely kind of cleaned out. Did a little something. I gotta get some dust off of that, but other than that, trunk cleaned out, car cleaned out. Inside is also cleaned out as well. 350Z pretty much looks like it's back in the shape it was before. Now it's a couple of tweaking things I have to do, and a couple of other things left, but so far so good. So I guess this is a good point for closing out. So thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to say it's been a long 3 months of long suffering, but God has my back. He has all of you guys back, and what's meant to happen is to happen for the greater. Thought I was gonna lose my car. Ended up getting some stuff repainted, a new bumper, and a little bit of money stashed in my pocket. So yeah, it took a long time, but I ended up getting a car that I could use around for a while, and I had to go out and loan out a car, which I thought I was gonna have to do. So right now, pretty blessed person. So I'm just gonna end the video on that note. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys later. Peace. Boom.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and